Hello guys, welcome to my vlog, and we're here now in Barcelona, Spain, and we are in Marina Avenue, and we're going to go visit the Sagrada La Familia or Basilica de Sagrada de Familia here in Barcelona, in Catalonia, in northeastern of Spain. See you guys! So, ayan na nga guys. Lalabas kami ngayon. Shore leave kami. Kasama ko. Mga kasamahan ko. Ayan si JM. Ayan. O, di ba? Kaway-kaway pa siya. Kala mo naman kagandahan. So, let's enjoy. Have fun. See you.
Montjuic that was built in 1630 in only 1 month by the same citizens of Barcelona. Was very remodeled during the 18th century in the style of the famous French military engineer called Vauban, and because of this the castle has a polygonal shape. The mountain is popularly called in Barcelona the Olympic Mountain, and because the most important sport facilities of the Olympic Games of Barcelona that took place here during the summer of 1992 are placed in the Montjuic mountain. It's also the most important green area of the interior of Barcelona. And some of the most important public parks and gardens of the city are placed at this mountain called Montjuic. Montjuic means the mountain of the Jews, because in the past there was a Jewish cemetery at this part of the mountain that was demolished at the end of the 15th century. It's called the Waves of the Mediterranean Sea. It's a homage of Barcelona to its sea, the Mediterranean, the eastern limit of Barcelona. Was designed by a famous Spanish sculptor called Andreu Alfaro. And in front of you, but to the left, you will see a little skyscraper that is called Torre Colom, the Columbus Tower, because it's placed very close to the most famous monument of the city, dedicated to the man who discovered or rediscovered America in 1492, and the famous Christopher Columbus. The building is 110 meters high, 350 feet, and was inaugurated during the 70s of the last century. There is a heliport on the top column of this monument. At the interior of the column there is a lift, an elevator that goes to the feet of the sculpture representing Christopher Columbus. And to the left of the monument there is the most famous street in Barcelona, called Barcelona, dedicated to Christopher Columbus, because the first city that he visited after discovering or rediscovering America was Barcelona, and the first 6 Americans that we saw in Europe, they were baptized here, in the Cathedral of Barcelona. On the right we can see a part of the port of Barcelona that is called Port Vell, and the old port, because the oldest port of Barcelona was inaugurated here during the 15th century and during the medieval times. On the other side of the avenue we can see some buildings that are forming an important leisure area in Barcelona that is called Mare Magnum, where there is a shopping center, where there is also the Aquarium of Barcelona, one of the largest aquariums in Europe. Okay, and to the left we will see a building with a flag. In the past this building was a part of a famous convent or monastery in devotion to the second patron saint of Barcelona, the lower part of this building. And in front of you, you will see a fountain that represents the volunteers of the Olympic Games of Barcelona, citizens of Barcelona or other places that wanted to work for free during the 2 weeks when Barcelona celebrated the Olympic Games in 1992. They are buildings of the Olympic Village. They are not 2 buildings that were designed with the same style. The buildings of the Olympic Village were designed by the 2 most important economic areas of the city at this moment, that were the port of Barcelona and the center of the city. And there is an important variety of architecture at this street and in all Barcelona. You will see buildings that were designed in the neoclassical style, in the neo-Gothic, in the Art Nouveau style. At the central part of this street we are going to see modern buildings that were influenced by the style of architecture of the famous school of Chicago. The Burgess families of Barcelona during the 19th and the beginning of the 20th century. At the next corner on the right, you can see an advertisement of the famous football soccer player Lionel Messi for the famous Hard Rock Cafe of Barcelona. You know that Leo Messi is playing now in Paris and for the team called Paris Saint-Germain. And now to the left, we are going to see a building with flags. Is the Stock Exchange House of Barcelona. Is our little Wall Street. And at the next corner on the left, a nice building designed in the French neoclassical style of Paris. At the facade, we can see some sculptures representing economic activities such as the agriculture, trade, and industry.
Hello guys, welcome to my vlog, and we're here now in Barcelona, Spain, and we are in Marina Avenue, and we're going to go visit the Sagrada Familia or Basilica de Sagrada de Familia here in Barcelona, in Catalonia, in northeastern of Spain. See you guys! Okay guys, so we are very lucky that it rains here in Barcelona when we go out for visiting the Sagrada de Familia. Ayan. So, it's a blessing. Yes. Oh, raining. Oh God. We should go here first before the talking. Good. Welcome to Barcelona. So guys, ayan, very nice experience here in Barcelona with Ariel. We are being rained out.
Inulan kami sa Barcelona.
Very nice experience. Been a long time we haven't been out, and then when we went out, this is what happens. And we're here now in the Sagrada de Familia. So it's raining here. Very nice.
Magkasal pa rin ako ng $5.
Yes, $5 for the umbrella. Alright. So we're here. I'll take a video. So this is the back. So guys, so I prayed to Saint George. It's the patron saint of Barcelona, or here in Spain. So it is Saint George. I prayed to stop the rain, and the rain stops. Yan. So we are here now in front of the Basilica de la Sagrada de Familia. So we are here. Yeah, here we go. See?
Sorry, 1 second. Okay, isa pa. Ayan. Lalapit ako konti naman lang. Sige.
Alright guys, so that's it for today's video, and here in La Sagrada Familia. here in Barcelona. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you guys. Bye.